Hey there. So for today, we're gonna do a postpartum workout that I learned from Legion. So first, we're doing a warm up to prevent injury and also for better performance. The first workout is gonna be deadlift. So you start by hinging at your hips, not rounding your back. Keep your spine neutral, shoulders pulled back, and chest up. Engage your lats and drive through the floor. Instead of pulling the bar up, think of pushing the ground away with your feet. So this cue helps activate your glutes and legs more effectively for a stronger, safer lift. Next workout is leg press. So set your feet for the goal. Higher on the platform targets more glutes and hamstrings. Lower on the platform hits the quads more. Keep your feet shoulder width apart and toes slightly angled for better balance activation. The third workout is going to be a goblet squat. So you have to keep the weight close to your chest, just like what I'm doing here. You have to push your knees out as you lower into the squat and drive your knees out in line with your toes. Maintain a neutral spine, don't round your back. Keep your core braced and chest up throughout the movement. Last but not least, we have Glute Bridge. But for this workout, I'm gonna be doing a hip thrust workout. So you need to tuck your pelvis at the top, avoid overarching your lower back. But what you do instead is you tilt your pelvis slightly under at the top of the thrust to fully engage your glutes and reduce lower back strain. Keep your chin tucked, just like what I'm doing here. Look forward and keep your chin tucked throughout the movement. This helps maintain a neutral spine and prevents from leaning too far back. Alright, that's about it. Don't forget to hydrate. Bye. Ciao, Bella.